Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. We are at Walmart. My daughter started preschool this week, so I literally have less than 2 hours to get all my shopping done and out, which is fine. It is a small haul this week that I know of. There's just not a lot of great deals, but we're excited to do some deals. Sorry if I look emotional. I had a problem today at preschool, and I'm a very emotional person. So nothing wrong, nothing's going bad. It's just something that I just talked to my husband about, and I get cried about it. But I finally have a weekend warrior. I have $5 for 18 offers. I don't think I'll hit that this weekend, but we will see what we can do between Walgreens and CVS also. But let's go inside and have some fun shopping. Here we have the Arm & Hammer Complete Care for $3.53. You want to use this $1.50 off printable coupon from coupons.com. You would end up paying just $2.03, or you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app if you haven't done that. But you end up paying $2.03, but then there is an Ibotta rebate for $2 back, making this tube of toothpaste just 3 cents. Here we have the St. Joseph's for $4.42. You want to use a $2 off insert coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You would just pay $2.42, but then you can submit your receipt to $1.50 off of Ibotta, making your final price just 92 cents. So here we have the FDS spray for $2.72. You will want to use two $1 off printable coupons that we got from coupons.com, or you can submit your receipt. But you end up paying just $3.44 for the two of these. But then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you get $2.75 off of two, making your final price just 69 cents or 34.35 cents each, which is a great deal. Here we have the Oxiclean Max Force for $4.42. You're going to buy two of them and pay $8.84. But you can submit your receipt to the Swagbucks app, where you get $4 back off of two, and then you can get $1 back times two with Ibotta, making your final price just $2.84 for two of them, or just $1.42 each. So here we have the Printable. My store still has it for $4.94, but it is actually $5.44. They'll just have to price match it for me. But you want to use a $2 off coupon. You'll end up just paying $3.44 for that. But then there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making it just $2.94. I love Printable, so I'm going to do this deal anyways, but it's up to you. But Walmart's changing prices and not changing the tags on us. So here we have the Johnson's Kids for $5.38. We're going to use a 2 off of 2 insert coupon from our 8/7 save. You'll pay $8.76, but I actually have a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta times 2, so you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta. Then, this is weird, I get 615 kicks when I scan the shampoo, but then and then it shows I get 600 when I scan the conditioner, which is $2.46. But then it shows right here that I get 1,700 points altogether when I buy this as a combo, which is $2.80 plus $2.80, and then the 300 is $1.20. So it's kind of wonky here, but I end up getting $6.80 back when I submit my receipt with the two 700s and the 300. So this ends up becoming just 69 cents or 34 cents each, which I am getting now. So here we have the Stuffed Puffed Big Bites. These are $4.46 or $4.43. I will find out what it truly is. But anyways, you get them free after rebate, where you get $4.24 back. So this ends up becoming just 22 cents, which I'll take it for 22 cents. So that's a great easy freebie. I'm not going to do this deal, but here we have the Einstein Bagels for $3.98. There is a Swagbucks deal where you get 300 points or $3 back when you buy two. We got the Cinedust, and then we have the Twix. We also get 300, but like I said, I'm not doing this deal, but in case you guys want to try something, that is very tempting. So here we have the Gold Peak for $1.78. You would pay $1.78 for this, but then there is an Ibotta app where you get, or an Ibotta rebate where you get 50 cents back with that. And then you also get 110 kicks when you purchase it through Shopkicks, which is 44 cents. So this just comes out to be just 84 cents a bottle, which is a good thing, good price to try it if you want. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys what I got at Walmart. Yeah, it's fun to like hurry up and shop when you're in a rush. I'm having an extremely bad day today, like just things are just not going my way. I'm extremely tired. Like I tried taking a nap and I just cannot because I have so much stuff I gotta do, and it's crazy. It's crazy, but let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So this did ring up $5.44. My store changed the price to $4.94. Just giving you guys a heads up. The cashiers are supposed to like tell the people to do it, and she's like, yeah, I forgot. And I'm like, okay, because it's like been the wrong price for a month now. This has been the wrong price for a month now, and I don't know how many other people pay attention, but that's like, it's like $5.44. That's like a 50-cent difference or something like that, but it's okay. We'll see what happens. But I ended up getting this because my Persil laundry detergent is running low and I want to get some. So $5.44. I used that $2 off printable coupon. You would pay $3.44 for it, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.94. Now there is a Persil rebate with Shopkick, but it's not for this one. It's the 100 ounce. I just scanned them while I was there because if you guys are like, Christmas is coming up and I should be making this video very soon, but there's people out there that are trying to find any chance they can get to get some money for Christmas, and Shopkick is a very easy app where you can just scan items and get paid to just scan items. So if you guys like are just bored or you have time, go throughout the store and just scan those items throughout the app. Super easy peasy. I mean, it was 25 points, which I don't even know how much 25 points is, but hey, I'll still take it because even if it's like a penny, we'll still take it. So, actually no, 250 points is $1. So then if you do 175, that's 50, yeah, it was like a couple cents, but hey, whatever. So I ended up getting these stuffed puff big bites filled marshmallows. I ended up getting s'mores. Our neighbors actually have a bonfire every once in a while, and these would be perfect to have with the bonfire if we want to melt them up a little bit. But these were $4.46. You would pay $4.46 for it, but then there is a rebate for $4.24 back with Ibotta, making these just 22 cents. I think 22 cents is a pretty decent deal. Now, a couple of you guys were telling me to a couple of you guys were I thought the thing got ripped open. A couple of you guys were telling me to scan the marshmallows, the stuffed puffed, or the other marshmallows. My store had them on clearance for like $1 a couple weeks ago. So I think they just got rid of a ton of them. If your store has them any cheaper than that, that is still an awesome deal. But yeah, my store is not going to have that. My little furry stalker's right next to me because she's got to be next to me everywhere I go. So she's trying to get on the table. No pears. No pears. Just lay right next to me, honey. Lay right next to me. I ended up getting the Arm & Hammer. These were $3.53. You would pay, or you want to use the $1.50 off printable coupon from coupons.com. Thanks, Paris. You would get this for just $2.03, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 3 cents. So we got that. Do not lay on my bag. Oh my gosh, Paris. It's like I have one kid upstairs chilling, trying to get her to take a nap, and then this one was taking a nap, and then she saw me disappear, so she has to follow me. So I was doing my math on my stuff, you guys, and I totally forgot to grab the Oxiclean. Like, I was taking a picture of it, doing the deal, totally forgot to take a pic, or totally forgot to grab the products. I'm like, wait a minute, something's not right here. So I totally forgot to grab the Oxiclean, but that is okay. I ended up getting this FDS spray. Now, I don't use this stuff, but I know like scented stuff is not good for you. I mean, I ended up getting shower fresh and baby powder, but they had like coconut. The coconut one was a little bit more money, but I know you're not supposed to use like scented stuff. It's just not good for you, but I'm just saying, I don't use this stuff, but in case somebody does, I've heard stories of scented things that, yeah. Anyways, these were $2.72. You want to use $2 off printable coupons from coupons.com. You would pay $3.44 for this, but then there is a $2.75 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 69 cents or 34 cents a piece, which is still a pretty decent deal. Then I ended up getting the Johnson Baby or Johnson Kids. I wanted to get the conditioner of this, but my store did not have it. So I ended up getting these. Now, Shopkick was wonky because when I had the app open this morning, it said I would get 600 kicks for purchasing the product. But then when I scanned one of the items, a 700 popped up. But then the other one showed 600. But when I submitted my receipt, 700 popped up, sorry. So it was kind of wonky. But anyways, these were $5.38. I used a 2 off of 2 insert coupon. Thank you, Paris. I see you. I see you, Paris. I see you. I used that 2 off of 2 insert coupon. You would pay $8.76 for this. But I had 75-cent Ibotta rebate that I could have used times 2. And then I was supposed to get 615 kicks, which is $2.46. But then it popped up for 700 kicks, which is $2.80. And then when you purchase both of these, you get 300. Yes, Paris, I see. You get 300 bonus points, which is $1.20. So altogether, you're supposed to get 1,700 kicks, which is $6.80, making these just 46 cents or 23 cents each, which is pretty good. I'm excited to use that for shampoo and conditioner for Charlotte's hair. She's at that age now where I'm stopping to use baby stuff because her hair gets in so knots. And so I have to use like actual shampoo and conditioner, and I have been using my stuff, but I kind of like the kids' stuff for that. Thanks, Paris, for laying on my stuff. Okay. Yes, I see you. I see you. She is very, very much attached to me lately. That's crazy. So I ended up getting the St. Joseph for $4.42. I used a $2 off insert coupon. You'd pay $2.42 for it. Hello, princess. But then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 92 cents. What's up?
Hi, chocolate.
Oh, you're looking for Shopkins? Your face is dirty.
Yeah, good chocolate too.
Oh, okay. Here, look at this picture of mommy. I found this picture of myself. Look at that. It's mommy.
No.
Who is that?
Me.
Oh, it's you? Okay. So I ended up getting the Gold Peak. Now, the Gold Peak was $1.78. You'd pay $1.78 for it. But then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, and then there you get 110 points for Shopkicks, which is 44 cents, making this just 84 cents. So I got that also. I wanted to get... yeah, I totally forgot to get the Oxiclean, and I was gonna get the turtles, but there was one spot where they said they were like $1.08, and then there was another spot that was $1.68, and the $1.08 was missing, and then the $1.68. So I don't know if it was just a mispriced item, but I didn't get it anyways, because the shelf was empty. So yeah, so my total came to be $25.83 for everything. I ended up getting $13.24 back with Ibotta. I also had a 25-cent any receipt rebate, so $13.24. With Fetch Rewards, I got 25 points, which is 2 cents. Technically 2.5 cents. So yeah. With Swagbucks, I forgot that I didn't get the Oxy, so I like submitted my receipt, and then I'm like, crap. But so I didn't get anything from Swagbucks, but from Shopkicks, I did get 1,900 points for scanning some items and buying certain items, so that was $7.60. So my grand total came to $4.97 at 9 items for just 55 cents each. I ended up getting 8. I bought a rebate. So like I said, I wasn't anywhere close to getting the Weekend Warrior for 18. But that is okay. That is okay. I'm happy with everything that I got. I hope you guys can enjoy this video by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.